Hey everyone, it is Natty. Welcome back. I apologize for this. I just did a quick workout. And I apologize for the lighting. I can't find my little ring light. It must be somewhere in this house. But anyways, so we just got back from our trip, and just in time, my FabFitFun box arrived, and I wanted to open it here. I know some of these things I did customize, but I also like to throw in a surprise me here and there because I do like the surprises of what they put in the box. So you can see my cat behind there just playing. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump into this box and see what we got. As usual, some stickers. If I really like the stickers, I'll put them on my makeup fridge. A $15 off coupon, and then the magazine, and then some more coupons on here. So we're gonna set these aside. As you know, I don't look, if you've watched these videos on my channel before, you know I don't look at the magazine first because that kind of gives away what's in here. So anyway, first thing I see is the Kyo Body Scrubber. I do like that. I have really dry skin. Something fell out of it. So I do have very dry skin, so I do like when there's body scrubbers. Oh, this is an interesting one. Okay. It looks like it's a silicone rubber scrubber. So cool. I will try that out. If I could get someone to do my back, because that's what's really itchy. Then we have the Tula skincare. I think that's how you say it. Ooh, sunscreen. Because of my skin tone, I always wear sunscreen, whether it's winter, summer, fall, or spring. So never have too much. I have allergies, so I don't know if there's no scent, but I can't smell anything here. Maybe it doesn't have a scent, but anyways, it is 1.7 fluid ounces. That's a pretty decent amount. So we've got that. Oh, this was an add-on. These are under eye patches. I like to try new ones ever so often. These are pomegranate, and they're supposed to have collagen. So I'm interested to see if these do anything to my under eyes. We have a little box. Ooh, Ilamasca contouring gel in outline. So is this like a... Oh, okay, it's like a contour stick. Okay, I'm here for this. Looks a little dark, not gonna lie. Okay, it applies like almost nothing on my hand though, so okay. Okay, I can get on board with that. When I first opened it, I was like, oh, I don't think this is gonna work. But it looks like it might, so we might try that out and see. Cool, 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 cool. I'm always for trying new stuff. Those are things that I don't really buy for myself a whole lot, like different kinds anyways. A desk pad, ooh. Okay, so this is the Tech Elevate desk pad. Sorry, I've got some allergies and my cough is... So I guess you just set it down and then put your computer over it, like your laptop. I'll try it out. I'm always here to try new things, guys. All right. And then I know what this is. This is the blanket for the outdoors. This would have been perfect if we got this box before our trip to Greece, because this would have been perfect to use there. But I look forward to using it at some point this summer. I also... Ooh, yes, I wanted these. Did I customize these? I don't remember. That's the problem with customizing. Then I don't remember what I actually customized. But these are the little containers to put in your bathroom, and they look decorative, so they don't look like just plastic whatever's on your vanity. But there's two of them. It's a set of two. And they're little black containers with a gold lid. So I figured we could put like cotton balls in one, and I have yet to decide what the other one will hold, but yay, those are fun. Our bathroom, if you saw my makeup I am taking in my travel bag, you will see how sad our bathroom is. I had not realized it until I recorded that video and then watched it, and I was like, oh. Our bathroom is pretty blah. So anyways, I do have ideas of what I want to do there, but I just haven't gotten around to doing it. Anyways, last thing I have is the Caviar on Anti-Aging CC Cream. This is a leave-in hair cream. I don't really use these because I use customized shampoo and conditioner, so the conditioner has everything I need, so I don't need a leave-in. Plus, this says replenishing moisture, and with my fine hair, this will probably not work well. So I'm going to see if my mom wants it, and if not, I will find it a new home. So anyways, that is everything I got. I'm actually pretty excited to try everything. I'm happy with everything yet again. Like I said in my previous FabFitFun, I always think I'm going to cancel my subscription because it's an extra expense, but then I always like everything I get. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this ramble, and I will see you next time. Bye.